What's up everyone, this is Ryan here. Today I'm going to do a talking video on the Craftsman compact blower. Now it will get used again this weekend, and I know that because you see how much expected this machine's been used almost like a couple of times already, which it's definitely how much I've expected this machine that you see because still got two bars in the battery still, you can see two bars in the battery still, which is definitely how much expected to you see what I like to see. I mean, this is a CMCB LZ100 and you can tell this thing's gonna get used almost like quite a bit of times because you see how much expected this thing that just definitely looks pretty nice looking in my opinion, but you see because you see how much expected this machine's been used almost like a couple times already, which is definitely how much I've expected this thing's like, which is definitely looks pretty nice looking in my opinion, but you see how much expected this thing's like get used almost like quite a bit because you see how much I've expected this machine's like, which is definitely looks pretty much what I expected this thing's like, which is definitely looks pretty nice in my opinion. So this thing will get used again some point this weekend, you see, but as you see how much expected this it did get used on Thursday, and I know that because you see how much expected this thing, you can tell it's the same exactly looks pretty much what we expected. This seems like we just definitely look probably will get used again this weekend because I know that you can see how much expected. This seems like it just definitely looks pretty fine, nice note in my opinion. But you see how much expected this below here, so which I do like this thing because you see how much expected this machine's been used almost like a couple of times already, which is definitely expected. This machine's been used almost like quite a bit because I do like this thing more because you see how much expected this machine because you see I mean this thing's a very powerful machine in my opinion, but you see how much expected this thing's like it's gonna get used almost like quite a bit. And it will get used again this weekend. And you know that because you see how much expected this thing is like because you see how much expected this machine's been used almost like a couple of times already, which is definitely really expected. This thing like which just definitely looks pretty nice looking in my opinion, but you just see how much expected this machine's been used almost like quite a bit. And I know since much this thing will get used again some more this weekend because you see how much expected this thing is like, but it's just pretty as looking below in my opinion, this thing will get used again.